Have you ever felt that when you enter a place, people look at you but don't take you seriously? Their gaze stops for just a second and then moves on. Why? Because you are visible but not noticeable. But some people are different, right? They don't say anything, they don't make any extra effort, yet their presence is felt. Like there's a calm tension around them that has confidence, control, and a little bit of mystery. And that's called aura. An aura is not something only special people have. It's built, little by little, with control in every movement, discipline in every decision, and silent progress every day. If you do calisthenics or want to start, it's not just about building a body, it's a process of building a personality. Some specific skills that show control over your body are the same skills that give you that presence people don't talk about but definitely feel. In this video, we will talk about calisthenics skills that can add an unbeatable aura to your personality. These are not for showing off, nor just for making Instagram reels. These skills can change your body language, your work, and even your gaze without you saying a single word. Well, let's get started. Skill number 1, clean controlled pull-ups. A pull-up seems like a basic move, you've heard of it, some people even do it. But when someone does a clean, controlled pull-up, no jerks, full range, perfect composed form, that simple movement becomes a powerful statement. Your upper body control, your grip strength, your posture, everything shows in just one rep. And when you do such pull-ups, people don't just see your muscles, they feel your discipline. Because anyone can do 10 sloppy pull-ups, but a single perfect rep requires patience, control, and internal strength. Well, how to start? Begin from a dead hang, full body relaxed, arms fully stretched. Aim first for 5 slow pull-ups, with 2 seconds up, 2 seconds down control in every rep. Whether you are a beginner or intermediate, showing perfection in pull-ups becomes the base of this skill. This is your first step toward a body language that's not loud but powerful. Skill number 2, handstand. Handstand is not an easy skill. It's a signal that you can control your body from every angle. When you stand on your hands, your body isn't just upside down. Your mind is also in a calm, focused mode. It's a position where panic is natural, but the person who stays composed even there has a different energy. And this energy directly reflects in your aura. Handstand teaches you patience. You can't master it instantly. You have to practice daily. A little loss of balance, a little progress, and then one day, you become so steady that a silent confidence settles inside you. This confidence shows in your walk, your eye contact, and even in your silence. You might have noticed, in anime, the strongest characters are always calm. Their control isn't just in their muscles, it's in their movements, their breathing, their posture. Handstand builds that same level of control. How to start? Begin with wall support. Do a face-to-wall handstand so your posture stays correct. Every day, aim to hold for just 20 to 30 seconds, but with perfect form, back straight, core tight, no banana shape. Gradually reduce wall support and build trust in yourself. Skill 3, front lever. Front lever is a skill where you literally stay horizontal in the air without any movement, completely still. No jerks, no swinging, just raw back strength, core control, and patience. When someone performs this move, the person watching has only 2 options, either keep staring or be impressed. It's a silent flex, and that silence becomes the core of your aura. Front lever doesn't scream, "Look, I'm strong." It just exists, it just happens, and people automatically take you seriously. This skill sends a direct signal of discipline and cold focus inside you. Well, how to start? Begin with a tucked front lever. Keep your knees close to your chest and make a habit of keeping your back straight. Hold every position for 10 to 15 seconds, focusing on posture and breathing. As your strength and form improve, transition to straight legs. I know progress will be slow, but it will be real. Front lever teaches you that sometimes power isn't in movement, it's in stillness. When your body becomes so stable that you can hold it in the air, self-respect, focus, and confidence naturally start coming out. This skill creates an energy where people think twice before talking to you, and that's the real power of aura. Skill 4: pseudo-planche push-up. Everyone does normal push-ups. You probably do 20 to 30 daily. But when you do pseudo-planche push-ups, one thing becomes instantly clear. This person is working on another level. In this move, your hands are ahead of your hips. Your chest comes so close to the floor that every rep becomes a controlled struggle. But this isn't a show-off skill. It comes with risk, pain, and slow growth. But from that pain and patience comes presence. Pseudo-planche push-ups broaden your shoulders, open your chest, and make your wrists so strong that you feel confident in any position. But the biggest thing is, when you do this skill confidently, it shows in your walk, your sitting posture, and even in your silence. How to start? Begin with the basic form. Hands slightly ahead of the waist, fingers forward, elbows at 45 degrees. First focus on 5 to 8 reps, but with depth and perfect form in every rep. Once your wrists and shoulders get stronger, keep your legs tight and strong, and start doing low reps. The biggest power of this skill is, it needs no gym equipment, just your floor, your body, and your control. And when you master that control, it becomes visible in your energy. And in the end, these skills together create an image where you are physically strong, mentally composed, and most importantly, your aura is self-built. Well, if you want people to take you seriously just by looking at you, without you saying anything, these skills should be in your toolkit. And listen, if you're a beginner and you think you can skip building the basics, you're wrong. These 4 skills won't mean a thing if your foundation is weak. That's why my previous video isn't just a workout, it's your blueprint. Miss it, and you'll be stuck at day 1 forever. So click here to watch it now, master the fundamentals, and make these skills look effortless.